in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can write in Superscript. That is how you can write a square or cube or any type of superscript notation or any type of power notation in your Microsoft Word. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So let's start. So let us start with the letter X, and let's say we want to write a square for this X. Now to do that, make sure that you're on the home section of the Microsoft Word, and there you will see right under the font button, you will see here the Superscript option. I can tap it, or you can just see the shortcut buttons, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. You can do that, or just select this button, and now as you can see right here, it's gone above there. Now let us do that again, and let's say we want to make it square. Now this is X squared. Now you can just edit this too, and you can even just write a letter here, let's say X power A. Now yeah, that is basically it. That is how you write a superscript notation on your Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.